Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to permanently delete files on your PC so they can't be recovered. The simplest way to remove files permanently by File Explorer Delete option. Firstly, open the File Explorer. And then locate the files to delete. Go to the File tab. And then expand the Delete options by click on the inverted triangle under Delete. Here click on Permanently Delete option to erase files permanently. If you have a large number of documents need to be destroyed, for an easier solution, third-party software like iSunshare File Deletion Genius can help you. It allows you to securely delete files and make sure they can't be recovered. Firstly, download and install iSunshare File Deletion Genius. Then launch it on your PC. Click on Add button. Here you can choose to show hidden files. Then select multiple drives, folders, or files to delete. Later, choose the erase mode. It is recommended to use the slow mode for a more thorough deletion. Click on Delete button. When a warning window pops up, click OK. The file deletion will be finished soon. So, there you have it. You've learned how to permanently delete files on your PC. By following these steps, you can ensure your sensitive data is securely erased and can't be recovered. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more security tips.